Hey guys, what's up? It's me Mansi and welcome back to my channel. And happy Diwali to all of you. And today I am up with a festive hairstyle tutorial. So let's get started. So first one is the mid partition braids. So you're going to take the three sections and you're going to take sections from front. Then you braid it like a French braid. So from now I am going to post my videos like on alternative days, or from now to today to day after tomorrow I will post regularly, and then I will post twice in a week or thrice. I will try to post. So I am losing my braid, and yeah, now I am done with the both of them, and now I will pin both of them behind with clips. So yeah, now I am going to untangle the braids, the leftover braids. Yeah. So I will braid my hair now in a loose braid. So please, if you guys like my videos, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment what you like about my videos and what you want to watch more, hairstyles or makeup or something else. You can tell me, I will make videos on that topic. So yeah, please support me. So I'm just losing the braid to give it a heavy and nice look. Please do share my videos. So it's the second hairstyle. It's very easy. You just have to take a section behind your hair. It should be a thick section so that it can be braided well. So you're going to take a thick section and you're going to braid it like usual. And now I am losing the braid to make it look thick. So yeah, I am done with both of them, and now I will place them like a hairband, and it will look really nice, guys. So you just have to take one braid and pin it behind the ear. You just have to pin it very well so that it cannot move. And the second braid we will put it behind the first one, and now we will take out the pin and pin it really well like this. And yeah, there you go. So this is the third hairstyle, and now we will do the classic and sleek hairstyle. So we're going to take sections and keep twisting them and adding more hair to it in a straight way. It's very easy, it's just take seconds. And now I am losing it, and now I will pin it with some pin. Now I will make the second. Yeah, this is the easiest hairstyle on this planet. So the fourth hairstyle is a very nice hairstyle. So you're going to take the hair from your crown. Now I'm just going to pin it, and it's just really easy. And after pinning, I will take a section behind my hair and I will braid it like a French braid. You're going to take bigger sections for a heavy look. So I'm just braiding my hair. Struggles. I'm just taking out some flakes. Braid your hair nicely and don't worry about messy braid, it will look nice. Braid it a bit loose so that it will look nice. And I'm just braiding it and tying it with a rubber band. And yeah, that's it. It just makes really nice everything. So yeah, I'm just pulling it a bit, as I do always, and I'm just enjoying making hairstyles and showing all of you. So guys, thanks for watching and like करना, share करना, comment करना, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, और please support me. And yeah, and I will meet you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.